Hey, we forgot the sparklers. Nah, he pissed already. He's gonna piss again though.
I feel like it. Okay, go on then.
Hmm?
You always want to mark everywhere you tell you to.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, babe.
Babe, pull me. Yeah, babe. Calm
Babe,
down.
don't let go of the lead, though. I told you, this is your gym.
Stop.
You don't need no more gym than this.
Just walk gently. Let me walk gently.
We're in Southwark Park, people. It's been an active day today still. It's been active.
That's it. Walk calmly. Hey.
All right, babes. Say, I'm out.
I'm out. Let's go.
Here. Yeah. Come, say, I'm out.
Anna.
We're out.